blue steel 44.
Early one morning when I heard my little dog bark, Stagger and Billy Lion was arguing in the dark. Stagger and Billy Lion was gambling one night late. Stagger Lee fell 7, Billy Lion he fell 8. And slowly Stagger walked from the table and said, "Can't let you go with that. My money in my milk white Stetson hat. Stagger Lee went walking right down that icy track. I ain't gonna hurt you now, Billy. Better not be here when I get back, though." The next day, Stag went running in the red-hot broiling sun. Look in my shift for a draw, Alberta, hand me my smokeless 41. Alberta looked at Stag, said, "Baby, you're out of breath. You look like you're gonna be the cause of somebody's death." And Stag took out his elk and looked directly at the time and said, "I got an argument to settle with that bad man, Billy Lion. Kiss me, good woman. You may not see me when I come back." And Stag went running up that great northern track. To the barroom, eased up to the door. Billy Lion had his 44 special, pacing up and down the floor. Billy Lion began to scream, "Stag, don't take my life. I got 5 little helpless children and one poor pitiful wife." I shot him 3 times in the forehead, 2 times in the side. Said, "I'm gonna keep on shooting till Billy Lion's died." Billy Lion got glassy and he gasped and hung his head. Stag say, "I know by expression in his face that Billy Lion's dead." Miss Billy, she went running and screaming, "Stag, I don't believe it's so. You and my little Billy's been friends since many long years ago." Stag he told Mrs. Billy, "If you don't believe your man's dead, come to the barroom, see the hole I shot in his head." She fell to her knees and she said to her oldest son, "When you get a little bit bigger, I'm gonna buy you a 41. Chief Maloney told his deputies, "Get your rifles, come with me. We gotta arrest that bad man, Stagger Lee." So the deputies took their shiny badges, laid them on the shelf, said, "If you want to go get him, get him your own damn self." Slowly, Chief Maloney walked to the barroom door. Stagger Lee was drunk, laying on the barroom floor. Chief Maloney said to the bartender, "Who can that drunk man be?" "Speak softly," said the bartender. "That's the bad man, Stagger Lee." So he touched Stag on the shoulder, say, "Stag, why don't you run?" He says, "I don't run when I got my 41. He tried to get up. Stag pulled his pistol but couldn't get it out. Chief pulled his pistol, shot the poor boy in the mouth. Stagger Lee went running, straggling down Due Main Street. Don't you know the blood was running from his head down to his feet? The judge, he found Stag guilty. The clerk, he wrote it down. Next cold winter morning, Stag was Angola bound. It was early one morning, one bright summer's day. The chief received the wire that Stag had run away. As he got his men, he put them around the town. Next time you see Stagger Lee, shoot him down. this man. You better let him go free.